To turn on or turn off auto download files and music for private chats when connected to Wi-Fi in Telegram. In Android phone, open Telegram app, tap Telegram to open, and then tap more icon or three line icon, select settings, and then tap data and storage, and then on automatic media download, select when connected to Wi-Fi, and then select files, and then on auto download files and music, select private chat, check private chat to turn on or uncheck to turn off. Check to turn on auto delete files and music from private chat when connected to Wi-Fi or uncheck to turn off. And then tap save to save. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.